Hello! I hope you're having a great day. The items you need for today are going to be a green piece of paper, or you could always use a white piece of paper that is colored green. We're going to be making a wreath. If you want to use just a plain white paper, you could definitely have a snowy wreath. You will also need your scissors and your glue for today. So grab those supplies, push pause on the video, and I will be here. Okay, so now, and you will also need something to draw with. I forgot to tell you that part. The first thing that you're going to do with your child is hand over hand, you're going to help them draw straight lines across their, the shortest part of their paper, so the width. And we want these to be about an inch or less all the way down. Once you have that finished, we're going to start cutting. So we're going to start by cutting one strip. Remember to make sure that their thumb is facing up. They have the left hand holding the piece of paper, unless of course they are left-handed, and then their scissors are facing forward. Now, because cutting is a hard skill, I'm going to put this paper to the side, and we're going to work on one strip at a time. And that will help them with their stamina. So you're going to have them put a little bit of glue on one end. If they put too much, this is going to be a harder thing. And then you're going to help them fold that over, but you're not pushing this down. So this is going to remain, almost like a teardrop. And on this part, they're going to want to press really quickly and let go, but because you have this acting against that piece, you're going to need to hand over hand with them, and maybe say some of the letters of the alphabet, or count, to 7, just something to where they're trying to press and hold. And then this loop is going to be put to the side. Your job today is just to make the loops for our wreath. Tomorrow we will be gluing our wreath pieces down onto an additional piece of paper in the shape of a circle, and we will be adding some holly berries to that. So for today, you could do this activity all at once, or you could do 3 or 4 strips and then work on it again, just depending on where your kiddo is at and how they're feeling today. You could either break this up into smaller portions for them, whatever they need. But your goal for today is to get all of your pieces cut and all of your loops created and set aside for tomorrow. Okay? See you tomorrow.